Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ned. Welcome back to another episode of the Discord.js coding tutorial series. Today we're going to be doing more stuff on Fortnite and using the API and the package. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Basically, we want to go ahead and make sure they can let it so they can pick what game mode they want to display. Instead of just having like one big embed with a bunch of different stuff, we're just going to go ahead and let them allow or let them see other things as well. So yeah, great explanation, but let's go and get right into it. I've gone ahead and changed up a couple things. By the way, if you have not yet, go ahead and be sure to watch the previous two videos on Fortnite. It just helps get you to the point where we're at here. So yeah, platform, it used to be args1, but since it's gonna have an option to, like, if they leave it blank, we want to make sure it goes to PC. So we're gonna put that on the end. The formatting for the command is going to be Fortnite, and then we'll do like Ninja, and then it'll be something like solo, and then PC. Or we can leave that blank and not have anything there. So yeah, the first thing I've gone ahead and did was let game mode equal args1. That's gonna be this one right here, as this is arg0 and this is arg1, and then PC would be args2. So yeah, we have to go ahead and first check and make sure that game mode is equal to something that is going to be in our data. So if game mode is not equal to either solo, or it's not equal to, let's go ahead and type this out, duo, whoops, or it's not equal to squad. We're going to keep these all, whoops, here we go, game mode is not equal to lifetime, return message dot reply, and we're just going to go ahead and give them usage exclamation point Fortnite, username, mode. You can type out the modes there if you wanted to, and platform, there we go, brain fart. All right, now we're ready to go ahead and get started. The first thing I did was console log stats again, so we could take another look at that, and I have actually commented out the embed just so we don't get a bunch of embeds in the chat for no reason. So I'm going to go ahead and start the bot, index.js, and let's go ahead and take a look at that data. So Fortnite, Ninja, yeah, as you can see, I've recorded this a few times now. Fortnite, Ninja, we'll do solo, PC, just to make sure it works. It does. Oops. Drag this console open, and as you can see, there's the same stuff as last time. There's lifetime, we got modes, wait, no, that's not what we're looking for. All right, so we got solo, we got duo, and then we got squad as well. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and set up some if-else statement, or else-if statements rather, and we're going to make them for each of the modes. So we're going to do solo, duo, and squad. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and push this down a little bit, and we're going to put, so if game mode is equal to solo, else if game mode is equal to duo, else if game mode is equal to squad, and then we're just going to put else. And we're going to wrap it around this. All right. So the first thing whenever we're doing this is we're going to need to get the stats that we need for each mode. So the first thing is going to be let solo stats equal stats.solo stats. All right, rather solo. Well, let's just go ahead and console log that to make sure we got it right. Solo stats Save that, restart the bot, and Fortnite Ninja Solo, and then PC. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it, or copy that so I have it. All right, so there we can see it. There is our solo stats. Awesome, right? So the first thing, I'm actually gonna get rid of a couple of these just to make sure we got rid of them. So now we can go ahead and kind of just use that data to start building our variables. So I'm going to do let score equal solo stats dot score. This is going to be a lot easier than lifetime actually. So let KD equal solo stats dot KD. Let matches equal matches dot, or rather solo stats dot matches, solo stats dot matches. Let kills equal solo stats dot kills, and then let wins equal solo stats dot wins, and then that's what, 1 2 3 4 5. So let's get one more so we can get a nice looking inline embed. So let we can do top 3 equal solo stats dot top underscore 3. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste these because we're gonna use the same format for each of them. So just throw them in here, and we need to do let duo stats equal stats dot duo, and then let's change this. We can get rid of that. Paste duo stats instead of solo stats in each of these because we want duos instead of solo. And then we can just do the same thing here. I'm going to copy and paste all of it, and then we'll change it. So let squad stats equal squad. And then we can copy and paste this. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. There's just a lot of copying and pasting, and I don't want to waste a lot of time doing that. So yeah, that is going to be done then. And now, of course, we got to do more copy and pasting. So this is the embed for the lifetime stats. I'm just going to uncomment this and then copy it. And then we're going to go up to solo, and let's make some room for a embed. So these are going to be solo stats. So let's change that in the title first. And then we want to make sure everything lines up, right? So there might be some different name variables. So let's just double check that real quick. So played is going to be matches. And then win percentage, we don't have that in the modes for some reason. So we changed that with top three, sorry. Wow. Top 3. And then top 3s. And then we do have KD still. So that should be good now. Score, kills, wins. Yep. All right. And now I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this in the bottom ones. And that should be good. So now the big question, is this all going to work? Let me just make sure everything looks fine. We need to change this to squad. And then let's change this to duo. All right. I'm going to get rid of any console logs that I have. I think I got rid of them already. Yeah, we're good. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Node index.js, start up the bot. And let's give it a try. So Fortnite, we'll do Ninja, and then we're gonna do solo. There's his solo stats. Fortnite, Ninja, duo. There's the duo stats. Fortnite, Ninja, squad. Fortnite, Ninja, lifetime. And there's lifetime. So everything's working perfectly. It's showing our data. It has all the right embeds. And that is going to be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any suggestions for the series, I am going to have a forum down below. It's not that I'm out of ideas. I have plenty of stuff that I have planned. I'm working on a lot of stuff. And I'm going to probably start getting into more advanced stuff hopefully soon. So yeah, that'll be pretty soon. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you have anything to say, go ahead and leave that down in the comments. If you need help with your code at any time, go ahead and join this Discord server. That link is down below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.